What's up, everyone out there? I'm just going to show you some lights that I just got. I'm pretty excited about them. They're really good quality lights, so I figured you might want to see them. Maybe you are a friend, maybe you are a potential client. So just making it so you can get an idea of the kind of equipment that I use. So here we go. I'm just going to unbox it and show it to you. This is the Dracast, I think that's how you pronounce it, lights. And this is the Pro Series. And what I did is I got these to upgrade my lights because these are really high quality. The reason why I got them, the main reason, is because of their CRI rating. And they're rated at 95, which is about as good a quality as you can get. And what that means is that it's going to be a really accurate color. So it's going to look good. You know, when you get the cheaper LEDs, you run the risk of there being an off color in the light, and then you got to control it in post. Most people don't. It just looks a little off. And maybe to the untrained eye, you can't tell, but it just won't look as good. And you won't be able to pinpoint it like, oh, that color is a little off. But an accurate color is really good. Especially, I mean, these are, you can use them for daylight. So if you are in daylight and you're using it, the daylight color temperature, basically, if those two don't match, then your subject or scene or whatever you're lighting isn't going to look good. Another thing I like about these is I got the, there are two colors, so they're bicolor. And what that means is I can change the color of the light, because not all lights have the same color. So outside is a daylight color temperature with a Kelvin of around 5,000, 5,500, something like that. It depends on the time of day and stuff like that. But indoors, they use what's called a warmer light, which is more yellow, more orange, really. And it's called tungsten. It's just more intimate. You know, like when you're inside of a hospital, it's going to be daylight. Like, it's like a bluish light. But when you're sitting at a romantic restaurant or something like that, the light's going to be more dim and more of a warmer color. So these, the ones that I got, have the ability to go in between the two to change the color, which is really helpful because sometimes you're in mixed lighting situations. This is really common because I do a lot of events, and you just can't control the lights. You have light coming in through the window, and you have tungsten lights above, and you can't do one or the other. You've got to go somewhere in between, and these gave me that ability. So let's go ahead and check them out. So they come with their own cases. I got two of them. I guess I'll only show you one because, I mean, you know, there's no reason to show you both of them. But it feels like a great case. I feel like a kid during Christmas. And there you have it. You can feel it in your hand. You can tell this is a very high quality light. Doesn't feel cheap. Feels really beefy. That's one of the differences too between this one and the other lights by the same brand. They all have a high CRI rating, but these are just more just built better, basically. Better for traveling. I do a lot of different shoots on different locations. Let me show you the back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's check out the stand real fast. Alright, so here we go with the stand. Even the stand has its own case. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's check it out with it set up. So the top just pops on right there. You can tell everything's built really nice and feels good. A bunch of different lights. And that's pretty much it. You gotta plug it into the wall. But yeah, I'm looking forward to trying these lights. And if you hire me for a video production, at least now you know what kind of lights I'll be using. And I think we're both going to be really happy with it, guys. So, thanks for watching.